Welcome to BLUETTI support. Introducing the brand new Elite 30 V2. Whether you're camping, hitting the road, or staying at home, it brings the power you need with a look that stands out. It comes with all the essential cables, ready for use at home or off the grid. Need more? Optional accessories unlock expanded possibilities for you. Smaller, sleeker, and easier than ever to carry. The Elite 30 V2 delivers 600 watts of power and packs more capacity than EB3A, all in a body that's 11% more compact. And at under 9.5 pounds, it's the ultimate grab-and-go power companion. With 9 versatile ports, including a USB-C that delivers up to 140 watts, this unit pairs perfectly with your MacBook. Furthermore, it features 600 watt of continuous AC power output, and through the powerlifting mode, it can drive devices up to 1500 watt, meeting your daily needs. Charging is fast and flexible. With AC power, you can reach 80% in just 45 minutes, or go solar for a full charge in only about 2 hours. Even on the road, you can top up via the car's cigarette lighter port or use Charger One for faster charging. And when the power cuts out, it's got your back. The UPS takes over in just 10 milliseconds, so your essential devices stay up and running without interruption. It even supports 980 watts of pass-through power, charging your devices while replenishing itself. The UltraCell tech and upgraded cooling system cut its standby power by half to only 4.5 watts. Better efficiency for a longer runtime. When it comes to safety, you're in good hands. It's built with reliable lithium iron phosphate batteries for up to 3,000 cycles that bring you years of peace of mind. Worried about noise? Silent charging mode operates under 30 decibels, so quiet that you might forget it's even there. Control almost everything from the BLUETTI app right from your phone, whether you're using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Custom charging mode enables you to choose fast or slow charging to fit your needs. Now with smart power alerts, you'll know exactly when to charge or unplug. And thanks to system switch recovery, the unit remembers its output status and automatically powers your devices as soon as the grid comes back on. If you're dreaming of a smarter way to live closer to nature, the elevated Elite 30 V2 is ready to power your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, updates, and support. See you next time.